Fashion tips and tricks for 10, 18-year-old girls. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, I'm super excited to share some awesome fashion tips for girls aged 10 to 18. Whether you're looking to update your wardrobe, discover your personal style, or just need some inspiration, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your personal style. Finding your personal style is key to feeling confident and comfortable in your clothes. Try different looks to see what makes you feel the best. Whether it's sporty, chic, boho, or edgy, your personal style is all about what you love. Step 2. Comfort is key. Choose clothes that are comfortable to wear throughout the day. When you're comfortable, you'll feel more confident and look great naturally. Prioritize soft fabrics and good fits. Step 3. Dress for your body type. Understanding your body type helps you choose clothes that highlight your best features. It's not about following strict rules, but about knowing what makes you feel amazing. Now we talk about on wardrobe essentials. Step 1. Basic tees and tanks. These are the building blocks of your wardrobe. You can layer them under jackets, pair them with jeans, or dress them up with accessories. Choose a variety of colors and fits. Step 2. Quality jeans. A good pair of jeans is a must-have. They are versatile and can be worn casually or dressed up. Look for styles that fit well and make you feel comfortable. Step 3. Comfortable sneakers. Sneakers are stylish and practical for everyday wear. They pair well with almost anything and keep your feet comfortable whether you're at school or hanging out with friends. Step 4. Stylish outerwear. A denim jacket, bomber jacket, or cozy cardigan can instantly elevate your look. Choose outerwear that complements your style and can be layered over different outfits. Step 5. Dresses and skirts. Have a few casual and dressy options in your closet. Skater dresses and A-line skirts are flattering and versatile, perfect for a variety of occasions. Now we talk about on accessorizing. Step 1. Simple jewelry. Delicate necklaces, bracelets, and earrings can add a touch of elegance without overwhelming your look. Choose pieces that go with most of your outfits. Step 2. Functional bags. A stylish backpack for school and a crossbody bag for outings are both practical and fashionable. Pick neutral colors or patterns that can match multiple outfits. Step 3. Belts and scarves. These accessories can add a pop of color or texture to your outfit. Scarves are great for colder weather, and belts can help define your waist. Now we talk about on seasonal tips. Step 1. Layering for fall and winter. Layering not only keeps you warm, but also allows you to mix and match different textures and patterns. Think sweaters over shirts and scarves with jackets for a cozy and stylish look. Step 2. Light and airy for spring and summer. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. Floral prints and bright colors are perfect for the warmer months, keeping you cool and stylish. Occasion-specific tips. Step 1. School outfits. Keep it comfortable and appropriate. Jeans, leggings, t-shirts, and sneakers are great for everyday wear. Add a hoodie or sweater for cooler days. Step 2. Special events. Choose age-appropriate dresses or outfits. A nice dress or a stylish jumpsuit can be perfect for parties, family gatherings, or school dances. Step 3. Sports and activities. Wear comfortable and functional activewear. Look for moisture-wicking fabrics and well-fitted pieces that allow for movement. Now we talk about on budget-friendly tips. Step 1. Mix and match. Invest in versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This helps maximize your wardrobe without spending too much. Step 2. Thrift shopping. Thrift stores can be treasure troves for unique and affordable fashion finds. Plus, it's a sustainable way to shop. Step 3, sales and discounts. Keep an eye out for sales and use student discounts where available. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores to stay updated on deals. Lastly, we talk about confidence and expression. Be yourself. The most important fashion tip is to wear what makes you feel good. Fashion is a form of self-expression, so have fun with it and be true to yourself. Fashion for 10-18-year-old girls should be about discovering personal style, prioritizing comfort, and having fun with different looks. By incorporating these tips, young girls can build a wardrobe that is stylish, versatile, and reflective of their unique personalities. I hope you found these fashion tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle tips. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!